It will take only 3 minutes of your time to perform a few simple exercises to burn stubborn belly fat in just 2 weeks. The best part is you can do this workout at home without any equipment. As we mentioned, it only takes 3 minutes of your time. Perform this simple workout with us every day to make it a habit. So what are you waiting for? Let's do it. Exercise number 1, boat pose. All right, we got 30 seconds on a timer. Ready? Most fitness pros agree that boat pose is the #1 yoga move for blasting belly fat. It fires up your core muscles, strengthening your abs and melting stubborn fat. Almost there. Keep pushing with focus and determination. Fantastic. Exercise number 2, V-ups. For the next 40 seconds, we'll focus on this movement. Ready? If you can't do this exercise for 40 seconds, lower down to any amount you can do and slowly build yourself up. V-ups merge 2 best exercises, sit-ups plus leg raises. A total core sculpting package that cranks up muscle contraction and accelerates fat loss in your midsection. You're doing amazing work. Good job. Exercise number 3, burpees. Let's do this exercise for the next 40 seconds. Ready? Burpees torch calories and work every muscle, but they're no joke if you're just starting out. Do them regularly, even in small doses, and watch your endurance skyrocket. Aim to do 7+ burpees in this 40-second round. It's a full-body powerhouse that strengthens arms, legs, and everything in between. Just a few more seconds, stay strong. Incredible. Exercise number 4, squats. Another 40 seconds. Let's get started. Ready? If this workout feels too intense, feel free to take a 10-second breather between each exercise. Squats are a powerhouse move for your entire body, building strength and lean muscle in your lower half. By toning your legs and glutes, they crank up your resting metabolism, helping you torch calories around the clock and slim your waistline. Wonderful. You're doing amazingly. And great work. Exercise number 5, elbow plank. Final 30 seconds. Ready? If 30 seconds feels too easy, challenge yourself to hold that elbow plank for as long as you possibly can. Elbow planks fire up your core, shoulders, chest, and back, boosting both stability and muscular endurance. Building lean muscle in these areas cranks your resting metabolism, setting you up for sustainable fat loss over time. And we're done. Commit to these exercises every single day. Just a couple of minutes, but they'll power up your energy and drive. Carving out your time is key. Staying active? That's the cornerstone of feeling strong, healthy, and radiant. What workouts work for your belly fat? Drop your wisdom below. If you love this, hit like, share with your squad, and subscribe. Keep shining.